Hi guys, welcome back. Welcome back with the fourth and last puzzle I will solve in this editional of today's newspaper on Thursday. Yes, Thursday, March the 4th, 2021. The fourth. Hey, look, the previous Sudoku. I forgot those two numbers to fill in. 8 and a 3. We see here an 8. No 8 there. 8 should be here and a 3 goes there. Wow, wow, wow. One or two numbers left. Overlooked. Anyway, yeah. The fourth puzzle is a tectonic one. Tectonic with 4 stars. Yes, 4 stars. As you know, a 4 stars puzzle, I really need 30 minutes or more to solve. So I'm curious what time I will solve for this puzzle. And this puzzle will be number 2420. Alright. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Let me do this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Plus 4 is 14. Yes, 14 printed digits. Could be a hard one, but could be also an easy one. Alright, so let's get started. And the first strategy is to find the single boxes. I see 2 single boxes. Single boxes are always a 1. Alright. Dual boxes. Do we have dual boxes? I see here a dual box. 1 or a 2, 1 or a 2. Here also dual box. 1 or a 2, 1 or a 2. I cannot fill this directly. Need to wait for later. Here also dual box. 1 or a 2, 1 or a 2. Triple box. The 3 is already filled in, so those 2 should be also 1 and a 2, 1 and a 2. More triple boxes here, but I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. Then the following strategy is to find. I see here a quadra box, and this quadra box, 1, 2, 3, 4. It contains 1, 2, 3, and 4. And if you see an L shape or L construction with 4 boxes, then this box should be always a 5. So I can fill this already in. 5. This is always a 5. Alright. So the following strategy is to find some shapes or construction. I see here the T construction. The T construction. Let me draw this. And the T construction. This box has the same number as that box. Also, this box has the same number as that box. So, let me draw this. This number has the same number as that box. Okay. So here we have also a T construction, rotated. Yes. So this box has the same number as that box. So I have here marked 1 or 2, so this should be also 1 or a 2. This box has the same number as that box. Alright, do we have more T construction? Here we have a T construction. This box has the same number as that box, so this should be a 1. Alright, now we have a 1 here, so this box cannot be a 1 anymore. This should be a 2, and this should be a 1. And this box has the same number as that box, so this should be also a 2. Alright, then the following. Here we have an L construction with 5 boxes. This box has the same number as that box, and it cannot be a 5 because it could be a 5, but we have here also an L construction, but with 4 boxes, and this is always a 5. I cannot say this for that box, so we need to find out what number this is later. Alright, then the following figure or construction, this kind of figure, yes. This box has the same number as that box, so it must be a 2 there. Alright, let me draw this. Do we have more shapes? No. Alright, so we can start. Alright. 2 numbers left in this T construction. The 3 and the 4 are left. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 3 and 4. That means that these 3 boxes surround the 3 cannot be a 3. The 3 could be here, could be there. That means I have here double 3 here. This box cannot be a 3. Because if I place a 3 here, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those 2 boxes. So this box should be a 4. And this box should be a 3. Alright. Let me see. 4. This box cannot be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1. But also that box cannot be a 1. I have here double 1 here. Otherwise, if I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 1 should be there. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 should be here. 2 boxes left in this area for the numbers 3 and 4. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. Then let me see. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be there. 2 boxes left in this area for the numbers 3 and 5. 3 and 5, we have a 3 there. No 3 there. 3 should be here. The 5 goes there. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 3. This box cannot be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 should be here. 2 boxes left in this area for the numbers 1 and 4. 1 and 4. Let me mark those 1 and 4. That means that this box cannot be a 1. I need a 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So if I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. This should be a 4. And this should be a 1. Alright. These 3 boxes cannot be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 should be there. Alright. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be there. And this box is connected with that box. So this should be also a 2. 1 box left in this duo box for the number 1. 2 boxes left in this T construction for the numbers 1 and 3. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 1 and 3. And this box is connected with that box, so this should be also a 1 or a 3. Alright. Then those 2 boxes cannot be a 1, so 2 boxes left for the 1 should be here or there. Then these 2 boxes can be 1 or a 2 because we have a 1 and a 2 there. So the 1 and the 2 goes in those 2 boxes. We see here 1, so no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 2 goes there. 2 boxes left in this area for the numbers 3 and 5. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 5 goes there. Alright. This box, we have a triple box here. So 1, 2, or 3. But I see here 1 and a 3 there. So this box cannot be a 1 or a 3. So 1 digit left should be a 2. The 1 and the 3 goes in those 2 boxes. Well, we have a 1 here, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 3 goes there. These 3 boxes cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be there. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. 2 boxes left, the 4 and the 5. 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. Well, I cannot place a 5 here. If I place a 5 there, then this should be also a 5. We already have a 5 here. So this should be a 4. This should be, it's connected with that box, so this should be also a 4. 1 box left in this L construction for the number 5. Alright. This box should be a 3 because it cannot be a 1, cannot be a 2. Should be a 3, cannot be a 4. Yes, and cannot be a 5. So it must be a 3, 2 boxes left. The 1 and the 2 are missing in this quadra box. 1 and the 2. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 2 goes there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. We see here 2, no, another 2 there, so no 2 there. 2 should be here. Alright, this box cannot be a 3, so the 3 goes together with the 1 as a pair. 1 number left in this area for the number 4. This box should be a 3 because it cannot be a 1, cannot be a 2. Should be a 3, cannot be a 4, cannot be a 5. Yes, definitely a 3. Now we have a 3 here, so this box cannot be a 3 anymore. This should be a 1. And it's connected with that box should be also a 1. 1 box left in this T construction for the 3. 2 numbers left in this area for the numbers 2 and 4. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 2 goes there. These 3 boxes cannot be a 1. But also those 2 boxes cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. We have a 1 and a 3 there. This box cannot be a 1 anymore. This box should be the 1, and this should be a 3. Alright. And this box should be a 5 because it cannot be a 1, cannot be a 2, cannot be a 3, cannot be a 4. Yes, definitely a 5. Alright. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 4, so 1 box left for the 4 should be there. 2 boxes left, the 2 and a 3. We have a 2 there, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and 3 goes there. Now we have a 2 there, so this box cannot be a 2 anymore. This box should be a 2, and this should be a 1. Alright. I think this box should be a 4, because it cannot be a 1. Cannot be a 2, cannot be a 3. Should be a 4, cannot be a 5. Yes, definitely a 4. 2 boxes left in this area for the numbers 1 and 3. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. So we have a 2 here. So those 3 boxes cannot be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be here. 2 boxes left in this area for the numbers 4 and 5. 4 and 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 4 and 5. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 5, so 1 box left for the 5 should be here. And this box is connected with that box. Has the same number, so this should be a 5. Alright. 1 number left in this area for the number 4. Alright. 2 numbers left, the 4 and the 1. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, the 4 goes there. 2 numbers left, the 1 and the 2. We have a 2 now, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 1 goes there. And this box is connected with that box, so this should be also a 4. Alright. This number should be a 2, because it cannot be a 1. Should be a 2, cannot be a 3, cannot be a 4, cannot be a 5. Yes, definitely a 2. And then... yeah, almost finished, almost finished. 3 numbers left. This box cannot be a 3. So the 3 could be here, could be there. That means that this box, I cannot place a 3 here. Otherwise, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those 2 boxes. So this should be a 1. and this should be a 3. Now we have a 3 there, so this cannot be 3 anymore. This should be a 3, and this should be a 4. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be there. 2 boxes left, the 3 and the 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Finish in 15 minutes. Alright, great Tectonic. I like this one. Is it really a 4-star Sudoku or Tectonic? No. For a 4 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more, and my time is 15 minutes. So I'm very pleased with the time, and I like this Tectonic. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and don't forget, only if you like, only if you want to subscribe and hit the bell button or bell icon to be notified by YouTube when I upload a new Sudokus to my channel. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. See you tomorrow on Friday. Almost weekend. Have a great day. See you then. Bye bye.